Hey traders, from March 2020, pound dollar is trading in a very strong bullish trend. The market here is just unstoppable and the growth here is just phenomenal. But what happened recently? We see a lot of bearish breakouts. Yes, we see a lot of strong bearish candles, and is it the moment for the market reversal? Is it the moment for the initiation of a strong bearish trend on pound dollar, or is it just a correctional movement and quite soon we will see a strong bullish wave? In this video we will discuss that, we will execute the swing analysis, and I guess it will be very interesting for you to learn how I trade the swings. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Right traders, to catch the next strong bullish swing, we will start our analysis here with the weekly time frame, because on the weekly time frame we see the historical perspective for the last 2 years, and of course if we properly analyze the price action here, we will find a lot of different clues. So first of all, definitely you see that from March we are very sharply bullish right here. The price is growing like crazy, but at the same time what is important for us to remember is that after each and every bullish leg we have the retracement legs. Yes, after the strong expansion the market tends to correct itself and we see quite strong correctional movements, I would say. And what is important for us to realize is that for quite long period of time we haven't seen a decent pullback on the pound dollar. After this last retracement leg, you can see that the growth here was just phenomenally strong, and because of some of this Brexit news, this Brexit data, this agreement with the EU, I guess, the market was growing like crazy. And right now it looks like it is the time for the market for a new pullback, for a new correction, yes. And of course it is very important for us to get from which point this new correctional movement starts. For that we simply take the horizontal line, yes, and draw it based on the current structure high right here. Then the next step, what we do, we look left at structure and we analyze the long-term historical perspective. It is very important for us to get from which point the leg initiates, because sometimes it can be the correctional movement, but sometimes it can be the initiation of a new strong bearish trend. Yes, this movement right here may be the initiation of the trend change, trend reversal, and start of the bearish movement. So it is very important to check where it starts from. And over here, if we look left at structure, you can see that we have very peculiar structure shelf right here. These are the highs of 2018, yes, and you can see that so far, if we pay attention to the highs right here, you can see that that major weekly structure resistance cluster still is not reached. You can see that technically speaking, we are starting to fall from a random price level. We don't have a major structure. Our major structure is higher. You can see that for the big financial institutions, for the big players, the level higher was important, not the level from where we are starting to fall right now. For that reason, we consider, for now at least, that this movement right here, the movement that started recently, it is most likely a correctional movement, yes, and we will treat it as just the pullback before a new strong bullish leg to this identified structure high. For that reason, we are bullish biased, we see the pullback right now, and our task is to find the point from where the next strong bullish wave may start. For that reason, we will analyze the price action. Hey guys, I just wanted to tell you that right now it is the great opportunity for you to get my ebook on a huge discount. Until Friday you can get the copy of my ebook for just $99. It is the spring discount. If you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn my trading strategy, it is the best start for you. Check my website vasilytrader.com/ebook or text me in the social networks. I will be happy to give you more details. Let's continue. So because right here we are trying to catch a strong bullish move, it is very important for us to analyze the points from where the previous bullish movement started. And over here what I'm doing, I'm simply underline the previous structure lows, yes, because from these points you can see that in the past the market started to grow like crazy and we saw the initiation of strong bullish impulses. And now taking this lows, I will try to draw the trend line. Yes, I will try to draw the trend line and look at least for 3 touches to find a very strong trend line. And over here, look, I see right here a very peculiar trend line. It is confirmed by the touch right here, right here, right here, right here. We already have 4 confirmed touches right here. So it is a major weekly trend line, yes, and from that major weekly trend line, once the price reaches that, because the market is bullish, we will expect a strong bullish movement. Yes, we will expect the initiation of a new bullish wave to retest the current structure high and then probably go higher, yes, to the major weekly cluster that we just discussed. And now we must remember that weekly structure is quite wide. Yes, for intraday trading, weekly structure is not appropriate for making trading decision. However, it can just indicate us where is this potential point. And now it is our task to narrow our zone, to narrow our potential reversal zone, and daily chart will help us to do that. Alright traders, so I'm on a daily chart, and to make our potential reversal zone more narrow, what I will try to do, I will try to look for the additional clues, yes. And the first clue that definitely we must pay attention to is the horizontal structure. Yes, over here you can see this very nice structure shelf. You can see how nicely just in the recent past we started to grow from that structure, and definitely that structure was very important for the market participants, so we must underline that. Moreover, what we will look for right here, we will look for the harmonic movement. Over here, if we pay attention to this bearish leg and to this retracement, we have a very perfect foundation here for the harmonic movement, for the ABCD pattern. So what we do here, we simply copy and paste this bearish leg, and we drop its projection from the completion point of the retracement right here. Yes, so you can see that our major weekly trend line, our horizontal structure, and our projected ABCD pattern here, they are kind of matched, yes. And the last thing that I want to add right here, I want to add the FEPS, yes. And it is very, very important for you to use the FEPS only from the impulse leg, yes, because I know that many traders incorrectly apply the FIB retracement and draw it from completely random points. No, it is very important for you to identify the impulse leg. And here, this yellow box, remember that this yellow box was the point of the initiation of a strong weekly bullish move. So of course, the impulse leg is right here. Yes, here's our major weekly impulse leg, and from that, based on that, we will draw the FIB retracement. So from its low to its high, we will draw the FIB retracement, and look what we see right here. We see again very nice confluence. So based on our current analysis, we have the horizontal structure, we have the confluence with the 618 FIB retracement, we have the completion point of the ABCD pattern right here, and we have our major weekly trend line. So this kind of narrow zone will be our potential reversal zone. Yes, and you can see from a daily perspective, it is right now looks very narrow. Yes, and definitely from this point, we will look for the bullish movement. Yes, we will try to catch a strong bullish swing. And from here, most likely we will see the strong movement on pound dollar. Hey guys, and I just wanted to add very important thing right here before I let you go. Remember that forex market is crazy, and quite often the market here violates the key levels. Quite often we see the false breakouts, and this market is going against you. Each and every time it is trying to beat you and to stop you out. For that reason, once the market enters this underlined potential reversal zone, you must look for the confirmation. Yes, you must look for the reversal pattern. You must look for the reversal candlestick. You should look for the divergence. It doesn't really matter what confirmation you're looking for. It is very important for you to see that buyers started to buy. On intraday time frames, it is quite simple to notice the accumulation of bullish volumes. It is quite easy to see that sellers stopped selling, buyers started to buy. Remember that if we see this strong, crazy bearish candle that goes all the way down to our zone, it will be the warning for us that probably it is not a good moment to buy. So be very careful. Never rush with buying, especially in swing trading. Swing trading requires to be very patient, to be extremely patient. So remember about that. And in case if we violate to the downside our potential reversal zone, in case if we see the breakout of that on a daily, it will be a very strong bearish signal, of course, and then that zone will turn into resistance, and then we will look for the bearish continuation to lower structure levels. So remember about this scenario as well. Right, traders, thank you so much for watching. Don't miss your chance to get my ebook on a huge discount. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you on weekend.